how to find Uplay activation key on Steam. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Steam account right here, and by then we are going to go to the library section, choose the game that you would like to get the CD key from. How do we get the CD key? Simply right click on it, and by then you would be able to see the CD key on the option. So copy the CD key and simply go to your Ubisoft account after copying it. Now here we need to have the Ubisoft application and not the browser Ubisoft account. So download Ubisoft on your desktop basically. And then once we have successfully logged into our Ubisoft account, click on the hamburger button on the upper left hand side and click on activation key. So here, when we activate the key, we're going to simply paste on the CD key of the game. And like for example, let me show you how it looks like. So for example, we have AAA dash BBB dash CCCC dash DDDD. So for example, when you have an activation key, it looks like this one. So there are actually two types of activation key. The first one has 4 letters and 4 groups in it. So in one group there are 4 letters, and basically it has 4 groups. The second one has 5 groups, but the first set of group is that it has only 3 letters on it, while the rest has 4 letters on it. Now once done, click on activate. So that's about it for today's video guys. Hope you find this helpful, and thank you so much for watching.